So we're given the graph of a polynomial here, and what we're going to do is we're going to find some pieces on it. We're going to, in interval notation, find where it's increasing, decreasing, identify any relative maxes or mins, and any absolute maxes or mins. So I'll have this off to the side so we can see both simultaneously. Okay, so first off, intervals where it's increasing. That means left to right, it's going upwards. So it goes up from here to here, and then from here on to positive infinity. So we've got an increasing interval here and here. Now when we put these intervals in, we only use the x values and what we're estimating. So we might say, looks like about negative 2.3, because that's roughly our x value there, up to 2. Now we had another interval for increasing. It was right around 4, so let's go ahead and use 4 to infinity, because it's going to keep increasing from there on out. We'll union those together with a u, and there's our increasing. The nice thing is the decreasing is just the opposite from that. So it comes in here decreasing. So negative infinity to negative 2.3. Notice I'm only using the x values. I'm not writing the points, anything like that. From here, from 2 to from here 2 to 4. And again, union those together with a u, and there's our intervals. Now, any relative maxes, those would be turning points. We've got a relative max right here. Now, as a relative max, we want to give our answer as an ordered pair or a point. That looks like the point 2, 0. It appears to be the only relative max. There's no other hills. Relative maxes are hills. Relative mins, on the other hand, are valleys. So we've got one here, and we've got one here. So we said that was about negative 2.3. And the y value looks to be right around negative 22 or negative 23. I'll let you guys figure out what you like better there. But there. We have another one here at 4. And maybe about negative 3, somewhere in there. So we had two relative mins. Finally, absolute max and absolute min. Well, we definitely have an absolute min, and it's occurring at our relative min. It's right there. So our absolute min is this particular relative min, not both of them. That is the minimum value on our graph. But we see that it goes up without bound, so there is no absolute maximum.